Yo, what up, guys? This is iain.64755 here, also known as Kazuto or Kirito not 64755, but my Xbox name is Ian not 64755, but it was that. Now it's XGN Ian Knots, but you get the whole gist. I am here joined by my best friend T-Train,
What's up, guys?
and I would like you to try and watch his videos if you could, along with me,
My
but
my my channel name is the Bossness Bros. It's the and then space and then Bossness Bros. Like there's no space after.
yeah, guys, that's his channel, and right now we're just him and me are just talking, and thought we would include you guys into our talk.
Yeah.
So, what are you guys up to? If you guys have any questions, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And those of you who are already subscribed, let me know what kind of videos you want me to do, or if there's any certain videos you want me to do over GTA, Minecraft, or white noise, or
If he's playing White Noise, I could join and I can be in the videos too.
yeah, and Mini Wizard. Don't forget about that, bro.
Yeah, it's a decent game.
Yeah. But I also today I'm hoping to get this thing working really well. It's a new video camera I bought. I made a modification here, and it has a little flip out screen as you all can see. It was only $18 at Walmart in Lamar, Missouri.
That's pretty cheap.
Yeah, it actually is. But yeah, I was just having fun today, going out, seeing friends. For a while there, while my tablet was charging, I was out on a date. Can you believe that, bro?
Huh?
I was out on a date while my tablet was charging. What is this? It's mean. But yeah, guys, I'm thinking about doing more videos if you guys want me to. Like I said, if you have any questions or requests on videos over Minecraft, on Xbox 360, Minecraft, GTA 5, White Noise, or Mini Wizard, please let me know. But I'll keep the video rolling. I wonder. No, that probably wouldn't work. Okay. I'm gonna tell a little
Is the
bit.
video done?
No, it's still going. I'm gonna tell a little bit about myself. So, hi, my name's Ian Knotts, as you all probably already know from my gamer tag. But yeah, my videos are basically over school stuff and other things on Xbox and silly things that I want to try and do more of. This way I can get most of your guys' attention out there in the world. But these past few days, I've not only been talking to T-Train, I've also been trying to learn Japanese.
Huh?
But, like I said, my name's Ian Knotts. I'm 16 years old, born April 1st, 1999. I suck at Call of Duty, and I'm pretty good at skateboarding.
Oh, see, you should also watch that video, Triple Skateboards.
Yeah, watch the triple skateboards. One of my friends was being silly and did that. He wanted me to record it and post it on YouTube. So, yeah.
When I watched it, I laughed.
He did. Was it really that funny? I mean, you guys are wondering
And
what
at
that
the
clicking
end, it's
sound
like
is.
epic fail.
That epic fail part was kind of true because he majorly fell off the boards, but he was trying to do an ollie off. With the top board, he was trying to do an ollie off the other two. It didn't work out so well. So, anyway, guys. Wait, is your brother there? Bro. Oh, cousin, I mean, not brother. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And peace, bro. Peace out, guys.